Do you love facials? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share with you a hibiscus frozen facial recipe. A frozen facial is a facial that we freeze and apply to the face to shrink pores and also add the benefits we want for our skin. For this recipe, we're going to use a tablespoon of hibiscus flowers, a tablespoon of liquid aloe vera, 6 drops of grapefruit essential oils, and 3 drops of Palmarosa essential oil. Let's get started. To make this recipe, I'm going to start by diluting my essential oils in the liquid aloe vera. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Then I'm going to add it to my water. Give it a quick mix. And I'm going to pour it into my ice cube tray. I'm then going to divide up my hibiscus flowers into each of the cubes. I'm then going to stir each of these briefly to get the flowers mixed in so they're not just floating on top. And now I'm going to go freeze them. To use, apply an ice cube directly to your face or wrapped in a towel. Be careful as hibiscus can stain your clothes. What I love about this recipe is it leaves your skin feeling great. It shrinks my pores, it's filled with antioxidants and other great properties that make my skin feeling soft and refreshed. To get everything you need for this recipe, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box where you'll get your head soothing essential oil blend and star blend, plus 2 other full-size essential oils and 5 more natural recipes to bring a natural twist to your summer. And don't wait, subscribe today. We'll throw in our big bonus box where you'll get your carrier oils like almond oils and containers like our 10 milliliter roll-on bottle to help bring your monthly recipe boxes to life. Subscribe today, make your home more natural.